The Brother PR1000e comes installed with a handy help function and troubleshooting function, and it can be found at the bottom of the home screen, and it's a sewing machine with a question mark, and if we click on there, it opens up a fresh screen that's got 4 topics that we can use if we're having issues with our machine. So the first one is printable parts, and here we can see lots of different icons. So if we was to click on one of the icons, so if we choose this one, these are the thread tension knobs. It shows you a brief description about what it does. The next one is for basic operations, and again we can see multiple icons. So if we click on one of those, this one is to attach the embroidery frame, and it gives you instructions, and here we can see we can go through step by step and find out more information and how we can attach different frames, and there's multiple options on that screen. Troubleshooting, again, if you're having issues with your machine, this gives you multiple options to look through. So if your machine is too noisy, you can click on that and it will give you suggestions of things that could be causing the problem. And finally, it is maintenance, and this shows you basically how to keep your machine well maintained. So here we can see oiling the machine, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how you need to go about oiling your machine, and there are a few suggestions there that can help you maintain your machine and keep it in tip-top condition.